to the interview. Okay, we have this in the 24 na Pagkarino at ang for shot 3 points from Team Bobs Laredo. Okay, we have Pipito attempt, and it's a 2 points by Pipito. Pipito John. Okay, we have Clarido challenge by Pipito. Gihatag kang number 18 attempt. 2 points. Binayag. Sakto ko, correct niya, kayo po yung mga pangalan pagbasa ko. Kalibot ko pagsulat. 14 seconds to shoot. No good na pa ni Bunhayag. Bunhayag doon. Okay, we have Mata. Nakuha ni Bunhayag. At Imata, no good. Rebound na lang tanan. Okay, we have here Pipito. Mata na ilag ni Clarido. Clarido to number 24, si Mashon. And it's a 3 points by jersey number 18, Bunhayag. Okay, score. Jersey number 18 first, susunod foul, Mr. Banayad, first team foul. Okay, 1 point to Albete. Our score is 5-7. Jersey number 21, Mr. Laguna, first susunod foul, first team foul. Okay, no good. Nakuha ni Mr. Ano siya? Number 69. Gaadbukayan di ay. Nakuha ni Bunhayag. So, Clarido ata. 2 points Clarido. Score 9-5. Okay, we have Gaadbukayan to Cavite, 13 seconds to shoot. To Rauna. Cavite, 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, there's a foul. Jersey number 24, Mashon. Mashon first is in a foul. Second team foul. Dito counter draft now. No good for the first goal, jersey number 11, Claveto. Our time, 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Okay, 1 point, Claveto. Score 6-9. Lamang ng po ng tatlo ang Team Bobs. 14 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. No good ang po ng number 3, Karauna. Okay, last ball. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Okay, 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay.
Nawala mo galit sa balay.
Okay, Clarido, ikat ka ni Mata, and 14 seconds to shoot. To number 24, Mashon, 2 points. Score 11-6. Okay, there's a foul. Foul jersey number 18. Bunhayag, second personal foul, 13 foul. 14 seconds to shoot, 2 minutes and 33 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, remaining shot clock. Same ball position, rep. 4 seconds. 4 seconds ha, remaining shot clock. Steal by Mashon. Mashon attack. 2 points. Mashon 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 13-6. Wait. 15 seconds to shoot, 2 minutes. Attempt, 2 points. Mr. 21 Laguna. Okay, Mata. 14 seconds to shoot, Claredo. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Attempt. Na po ni Clavete. Clavete to Pipito. Pipito na bangdali and to Laguna. Rebound ni Laguna gihapon. And there's a foul. Substitution rap, jersey number 6. Number 6, Mr. Mata, first is a... Okay, number 6, warning for segment of a call. Warning for team penalty ang Babs, 1 minute and 32 seconds. 16 second shot clock. Still by nakuha ni Mata. Mata, kick away ng bola and kickball. 1 minute and 21 seconds na lang po. Our score is 13-8 in favor of Team Babs. Then for jump shot, wala. Nakuha ni Mason. Mason, mamadali gatag kang Mata. Mata attempt, wala. Na-rebound ni Claredo. Claredo, dribbling the ball. 3 seconds violation. Bola sa NHA Saint. 1 minute.
Nawala lagi sila, Bam.
55 seconds. 15
Nawala
seconds
lagi
to
sila
shoot.
kalit.
Attack, gihatag
Si
ng
Chay o
Clavete,
si
attack.
Isabel.
And there's a foul. Jersey number.
Kaya nag-ili siya, pagawas niya wala.
94, Mr. Mason. Penalty situation rep. It's a penalty situation. Mason committed second personal foul and penalty. 1 point, Clavete. It's a perfect throw. 40 seconds, 48 seconds. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. For 3, wala. Nakuha ni Laguna. Laguna yung nagmamadali.
Gabukayan niya.
Ay, Gaabukayan tayo. Gaabukayan. Sorry. 2 points by Gaabukayan. 25 seconds. No more shot clock. 20 seconds.
13 dapat na. 2 points ba, di ba?
15 seconds.
11.
Okay, there's a foul. Jersey number 11. Clavete.
11.
First foul, second team foul.
Ang ikaduhang na free throw,
13
muto pag 10.
seconds. Rangers number 24, Mason, standing on the free throw
8
line.
naman ang score.
No good
Plus
for the
1.
throw.
Nag 13-8 man na ang score. Plus 1, 9. Plus 1 pa yun. 10. Wala mo na count-counted. Dua na biya ka free throw.
10. Five. Okay, blocking foul, jersey number 15, Mr. Sereno. First is a foul, 13 foul. Okay, time for the first quarter of this game with the score of 13-12. Isa na lang lamang ang Team Babs.